Hi guys, you're at Bathley Level Crossing in Nottinghamshire. Here we go. Now, the time is just short of 1205, Monday the 1st of August 2025, and this is for our 1209 London North Eastern Railway East train from Leeds to London's King's Cross.
And will possibly also stay for 1 Sierra 13, the Carolian Express, not going to Edinburgh.
So that took about 7 years to sort out. Took 3 for Barnby Road, then it's too loud now.
Was that always missing?
No, it was not. It was there when I last came in 2021.
So it's taken it 4 years to get nicked.
Yep.
No, actually, when did you first come here? 2014? So it's taken it 10 years to get nicked.
Yeah. What's he saying now? I've got to transcribe because I'm working. I've still got crisps from Saturday, not Saturday, Friday.
What?
I might eat those on the bus. I've also just bought some pot.
Excuse me?
They are now soaked, like, because we are in my pocket and my pocket's wet. Hang on, I've got to show this or I'm going to get banned. What do you mean you might eat the crisps from Saturday, Friday, Saturday? Oh, pissing hell, go away. You might eat them on the bus and you've bought some pots. Come on, AI, work together. I'm going to quiz that. As far as I know, he doesn't consume that.
We'll be staying for the Carolian Express.
The 1210 LNER service from London King's Cross to Newcastle.
Camilla's not going to Edinburgh then?
I think she's stuck in a fucking field grazing.
Train is nearly here.
It'll go woo when it approaches. Because of some imaginary foot crossing somewhere just beyond Norrell.
On Vicarage.
Yeah, I don't know where it is because the nearest foot crossing I know is Flyfish, and that's between Cromwell and Carlton. Oh, apparently it's Mawam's blocks and not a box of pot. It's a huge difference there, AI. There's another behind that as well. If they go up, it's going to be a really quickly one.
It's going to go up for a quickie.
What have I told you about asking for that in public? Behave.
Derby Station, 1 day after the greatest fires.
Still busy.
You don't have to buy a practice.
To be fair, I think the fences were taken away before the start of yesterday. According...
It's still there.
I bet they are. It's
So
a
that's-
literal fucking vegetable pen.
3 and 4. No, 4 and 5.
You gotta get your islands right, they're important. And then the blooming fee for them platform tickets, I think, was about £2 each. With a bunch for bloody 20. With a supposed non-mandatory donation. Here we are. Yeah, they'll be staying again. Next one's at Balderton. Grazing with Camilla. Tonnage, please. One. They stole the whistleboard. Right, quickly please.
Go up, well, 10.
We go down at 12:10:58. 8 seconds. For God's sake, why is it all backwards? It's now 12:11. Our last train was 1 minute ago. It's the 12:13 Grand Central service from London King's Cross to Grafton Interchange.
Grand Central behind you, sir.
Which was closed earlier because of the fire alarm causing an evacuation at a station.
Which is why the first train was, what, an hour late?
Yeah, from Halifax. The bank that's closing. I've got a lot to listen to after this. He sent me more voice notes than he does calls.
Will we also stay for 1:08?
Dunno. The latest transcription, 3 attempts of the link in the group chat, and watch up and well. One took them to a website that probably shouldn't be used because it says something about files. I just delete the tab. Excuse me? Can I have that in English, please?
So when does this go down for southbounds?
Approach to Carlton. So, like, one after Egmonton.
Yeah, so it'll probably be... We'll see when it gets... When the other train gets... Mind you, if it's quiet, it'll probably not go up.
Nah. There's no fucker here, is there? EO8 next. Right, we can play that gag with it then. If they stay down. Because it'll be our last one, otherwise a 10-minute gap.
There's the Voyager 12.
Twoo. Someone stole the whistleboard. Right, let's do a gimmick that's going to piss off the guy that pisses everyone else off. Ah! Hi guys, we're at Bathley Level Crossing in Nottinghamshire with no. I was just about to leave but they went off again. There we go. Now, the time now is 12:15. This is for the delayed 12:16 LNER service from Newcastle to London King's Cross. I thought I'd get further away than that, but I decided to stop so I don't end up on the roundabout. We've got ages after this one. Then it's a massive fuck off bunch. Right, let's switch me noise down because I want to analyse how far we've got to the next, even though it's in arm's reach. A half of a mile. 7 minutes. That's fine, lovey. We can do that. Oh, you phoned to a tree up onto the ice, did you? That's good to know. Oh, I bet. It's a danger to itself then.
Right, live from Derby Station.
What now? No, exactly. Whole thing's a farce. If it weren't the event, it's the platform management. But time together, both fall down on the floor. And where's the train we're not going to see because it's in the way?
Are we going to point to the floor when the train comes? And
Probably.
say we missed it?
Because it was in the way. What was? He never said what was in the way. Just it. Which I could assume to be the train. The rain's back again.
And it's that
Twain!
And it's that fine rain that wets your sock.
Excuse me? I didn't get it because it was in the way. Up they go. And thank you guys, I'll see you in the next video.